2 pom-poms by wrapping yarn around your fingers. If you want a smaller pom-pom, you can wrap fewer fingers. Or you can use a pom-pom maker if you have one. So, you would hold the end of the black yarn between your fingers and you would wrap the yarn around your 4 fingers about 100 times. Make sure you wrap loosely so you can get it off in one piece. So you would keep wrapping, you wrap, keep wrapping. So you would keep wrapping until you're done. The more rounds you have, the fuller your pom-pom will be. So if you want a really full pom-pom, you just make sure you wrap a lot. And now, when you are done wrapping, you cut the yarn, you cut the end of the yarn, and you would slip the yarn off your fingers gently, slowly, making sure the bundle stays together. And you would set it aside. And then you would cut a piece of black yarn about 8 inches long, or longer if you want. You can cut longer. It doesn't have to be exactly 8 inches. So now you would wrap the piece of yarn around the center of that bundle. And then you tie a tight knot. So you tie it right there. Try to tie it as tightly as you can at the center right there. Okay, so tie it again, tie another knot. And then you would flip over your bundle so that you can tie another knot there. So you can repeat it another time, 2 times, just to make sure you secure the bundle. So now you can take your scissors and you're going to slide it into the loops. So the loop's right there. So you're going to slide your scissor into the loop and you cut open all the loops. You cut it off. So make sure you cut it carefully so you don't hurt yourself. Right there. And then you turn it over and then you cut those other loops. So you cut all the open loops. Now you have your pom-pom. So now you can trim the yarn to make it into a nice ball. A smaller ball will give you a fuller pom-pom. So you trim it to the size that you would like. I suggest you trim just small, tiny amounts first. That way you won't cut off too many strands. And sometimes, because it can get loose. So if you pull a little too hard, the strand can come off. So your pom-pom can fall apart. A way to fix this is you can put some glue into the center. So you can put some glue and then you just squeeze to hold it intact. So you just put glue all around wherever you can, just to hold it tight. And now you have your pom-pom. And you would have to make 2. So here you can just keep cutting your pom-pom, trying around the edges, and fluff it so that the small bits can fly off. So you just keep cutting to the length and fluffiness that you would like. So now you have your 2 pom-poms. Again, cut it to the size that you would like.